Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now in this part 6 of this training series of how to make $10,000 per month with email marketing using solo ads, we are going to see how to build a bridge page with our Lead Pages software. Now, if you're not registered for the Lead Pages software, then I would request you to check out the link in the description box below for getting the 14 days free trial of the software. Now, in the previous part, we saw how to build two different landing pages or the two different opt-in pages where we can use them for split testing. In this part 6 of the training series, we are going to see why do we need a bridge page, the purpose of the bridge page, and how we are going to build the bridge page after the opt-in page before the sales offer. And the main key points that are to be noted while building the bridge page. So let's get straight into our Lead Pages software. Now, before that, if you really like my content, I would request you to hit the subscribe button below and hit the bell notification icon in order to get the very first notice whenever I upload my videos. Now, let's get straight into our account. Now, if you really remember the part 2 of this training series, where you get the first step as the solo ads, and from solo ads, it goes straight to the squeeze page, which we have seen in the last two training sessions, where we build two different opt-in pages, which is nothing but the squeeze pages. And from the squeeze page, it goes straight to the bridge page. And from the bridge page, it goes straight to the sales offer page. So all the squeeze page, bridge page, all built using Lead Pages software. Now, this is going to be the entire process in our email marketing business. And if you don't remember, I always request you to look into the part 2 of this training series to get more clarity on this. Now, let's get into our Lead Pages account and build a bridge page. Now, click on the landing pages. This is my dashboard. And click on Create New Landing Page. And search for blank. And then click on Start Building. Now name the bridge page. I'm just going to name it as bridge page. Click on Continue. The way to build a bridge page is very simple and it's very straightforward. Just go straight to the widgets and click on the video button and drag and drop it over the center of this page. And below the video, click and drag the button. So make the button large enough. Full width. Yeah, just click the full width. Change the wordings, the call to action. Let me put it as get instant access. Now make sure that the button color is the same as in the opt-in page and also the sales offer page in order to make it more congruent. Now you can insert the video which you have already prepared on OBS Studio software and then upload it to the YouTube, just like what I did. And click on the video element and you can see the embed code. Now just go to your YouTube channel. Now this is my YouTube channel where I have uploaded a video. Now I'm going to share this video onto the embed this video onto the software. Click on the share button and then embed. Copy the whole code, Control A, Control C, and then just go to the just copy, paste it. Click on save. Now you can see the video has appeared onto the bridge page. So that's how simple it is to build a bridge page with the help of the videos. Now, what to do next after building the bridge page? Now, there are two options. One, if you're going to use a third-party tracking software called Optin Dojo, then I will show you how to integrate the Optin Dojo links with the lead pages in my upcoming training series. So if you don't want to use Optin Dojo and if you really have budget constraint and you're only able to afford lead pages, then I would show you this follow step. Now first publish this bridge page. Now click on the publish button and hit the publish button. Copy the link, close it and just click on the back button and go back to our squeeze page which we have built. Click on the back button. We have built two squeeze pages. I'm just going to integrate with the first squeeze page. Click on the test. So this is our first squeeze page which we have built. So when people come to the first squeeze page, which is the opt-in page, they are moved to the bridge page once they click the call to action button here. Click here for access. Now just click on the button. Now go to the actions tab, and here you have to put it to external URL, and now we are going to paste the bridge page URL over here. After doing that, click on save and close. Now that's how after the user comes to the squeeze page, he is taken to the bridge page. Let's go back to our bridge page. So what to do next? Once the visitor reaches the bridge page, then he has to be taken to the sales offer once he clicks the call to action button. So here it is, get instant access. So now just click on the button once and then add click event over here. Now we can add link to an external URL. So here you're going to paste the affiliate link of your offer, whether it is going to be a Warrior Plus or an Explodely offer. So after you insert the affiliate link here, you can check the boxes, open in a new window so that it opens in a new browser or a new tab. Now at this point you might be thinking, what does the bridge page all do about? Now bridge page is a simple pre-sale page to the main sales offer. It acts as an intermediate point between the squeeze page and the sales offer page. And the bridge page should always talk about the outcomes, the pain points, the solutions that the final product in the sales offer page caters to. And it also should say what kind of audience does it target. Now let me show you an example of how we are going to build a pre-sale page. Now this is an offer called AI Profit Siphon, and when you read the title, one-click AI no selling system allows us to siphon $47 payments every time we share a special link on this secret platform. Now this might get confusing, and this affiliate offer is taken from a marketplace called AI Profit Siphon, and when you click on the affiliate page, it goes to straight to this page. And why do we need an affiliate page? Now affiliate page is created by the product owner for the affiliates to use as a resource in order to pre-sell or in order to promote their products. Now when you scroll down, you have so many details regarding this affiliate offer. Now you have to check what kind of offer it is and what kind of value it adds. Now you can see a demo video of this offer, and you can watch this video and grasp vital information and ideas which you can use it in your pre-sale video in the bridge page. Now let me explain what are the key points that are to be addressed in the bridge page. So these are the bridge page key points. The first one is the video should not be more than 3 minutes long. Anything more than 3 minutes long, people are hard to watch it. And anything less than 2 minutes, it's not going to give you the details enough. And the next point is the self-introduction of who you are and what you do. And the third one is the pain points. The pain points that the product is going to showcase. And the fourth one is the proposed solution. What kind of solution does the product offer to the pain points above? And the last and the final one is the introduction to the name of the offer. And what is the offer which is going to resolve all these pain points which I have highlighted in the previously. So the call to action button will be the last one where you're going to guide them to the sales offer page. Now, if you are one of those guys who really don't want to show your face online and really want to promote high ticket products, especially using email marketing, then I would request you to look into the software called InVideo, where you can generate from text to video animations. and the text can be prepared by creating a copy from ChatGPT and use those text in video software in order to create a text to video animations, and from there you can use the video animation in your pre-sale page. This software in video is not going to be covered in this entire training series, and if you're really interested and want and keen in email marketing business, then I would request you to look into my top recommended mentorship program in the description box below, where if you enroll into the inner circle program, there the mentor is going to give you advanced strategies how to remain anonymous in your email marketing business and at the same time promote high ticket products. So with that being said, let's meet in the next part of this training series. Until then, bye.